When you get a taste of this brown sugar and garlic chicken crockpot, you will experience the dynamite flavor combination that this dish brings. Did we also mention that the chicken is so tender that it practically melts in your mouth? Make this dish starting by greasing your crockpot with a non-stick cooking spray and placing the chicken breasts inside. Meanwhile, into a mixing bowl, add the brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, lemon lime soda, garlic, soy sauce, ground black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Stir the ingredients together, then pour the mixture over the chicken. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 hours on low heat, or you may cook it on high heat for 4 hours. Once ready, take the chicken out of the crockpot and pour the remaining sauce into a saucepan. Now place the saucepan over high heat and add in the cornstarch with water. Mix to combine and bring it to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to thicken and turns into a glaze. Then, remove from the heat and let it sit for at least 2 minutes. The chicken is now ready to be served with steamed rice. Don't forget to pour the sauce over the chicken and garnish it with chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.